Here's a classic at Unique, especially in classics. 1925 Ford Model T Coupe. Of course, inline 4-cylinder, 177 cubic inches. This does have battery start, so electric start to it. Don't worry about using that crank. Wood spoked wheels yet. Of course, the brass center caps. This car runs and drives incredibly for 1925, of course. And we are going to start it up, let you hear it run. We're going to take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road, just like the rest of our cars around here. But first, I want to let you know where to see all the still pictures at. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. That's if you're seeing it on YouTube. Just click down there in the description on the link. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, paint on this, to me, it's rather fitting because it does show some patina and age. And is it perfect? No. Who would want to drive around a Model T that's got absolutely perfect paint on it anyway? Especially an original one. So very original looking. Windshield visor. Let's take a peek at this interior. It does show some wear over on the driver's side. To me, adds character. Of course, the folding front windshield, as you can see with the brackets up top and the seam in the center. A hand wiper blade over there, a windshield wiper. And we'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up. Actually, I'll probably crawl through the passenger side a little bit easier with the camera and get behind the wheel and be able to start it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Here's where the coupe model comes in with the trunk on the rear mounted spare. Few extra parts. Looks like we have a jack there. Gasket, a few extra parts. You'll be able to take a close look at those in the still pictures too. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, the paint is consistent throughout the car. It's not perfect, nor do you usually expect it to be in a Model T. Just a cool old girl. All right, let me slip inside this and we'll get a little closer look at the interior. I think I'm gonna have a little more room to do it for you over here. Of course, you have your amp meter gauge. Choke is here. Underneath the car, there is a shutoff at the fuel tank, and there's a little lever, and you want to have that pointing down for it on, and you'll see what I'm saying. If you were to look underneath this car, very simple. As far as the key, we're going to turn it left for battery operation. So we have the parking brake on. The starter is right down on the floor, starter button, right down on the floor, about right there. So we're going to turn this on. I have the gas turned on, throttle, timing. We should all be good. I can just push that starter. There we go. How about that? Fired right up. We'll even turn the throttle back just a little bit. We're going to make it idle nice and low and slow. I'm going to show you the engine bay. Of course, the timing on this side. Move that back down. Purring like a kitten. Let me go ahead and pause this. I want to open one of these hood sides so we can check out the engine bay at least. Let's take a peek. There it is. And yes, that's running. Take a look at that. Pretty smooth. Like I said, we're going to take this for a drive. Jason's going to go down the road with it. Out in the parking lot maybe and around back and forth. Show you how it drives out. I've driven a little bit personally. It's one of the nicer ones I've driven. I will say that. 1925 Ford Model T Coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1925 Model T. We're just going to take it around the lot a little bit for you. This is probably the smoothest running and easiest starting Model T that we've had here. On the wheel we have our timing control on the left, throttle on the right. The left pedal is your go forward pedal. The middle pedal is your reverse pedal, and the right pedal is your brake pedal. They're very easy to drive. Very simple machines. This one is a very good working machine. Look for some rips in the seat. It seems quite complete. There is door glass in each door and they're not even cracked. Very good condition car. Overall, for drivability, it drives nice. Let's try to get you a different view here. There we go, the right pedal to brake, the middle pedal for reverse, our amp gauge is showing charging. That's the only gauge in the vehicle. A really great Model T. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Model T at UniqueClassicCars.com.